Hello viewers, welcome back. We are learning data visualization using MongoDB charts and its implementation in Angular project. So far we learned how to integrate Mongo chart in Angular project in unauthenticated way. Now we will try to integrate in authenticated way. So first we come, what is this authenticated process? Then we will see the types of authentication there is, and then we will implement one of the authentication process. Before we start, please like this video so that YouTube algorithm can find us better. Also like and share this video so that we can make more videos like this. So this is the page for the authenticated login or authenticated way to saw the chart page. So MongoDB chart uses tokens passed to the embedded SDK to authenticate. So first we understand why we need this authentication, as the chart is sometimes very private data, so we need to confirm that this data is passed to a valid user. In our application, we like web-based application or other application, we always use a authentication methods to log in our valid customer, and when this chart will render, this will show to a authenticated user. So it is better to use that token to show the chart. So in this idea, Mongo has implemented this token based authentication. So who has this token can log in and see the chart. So this is the logic behind this. Now we will see the authentication providers. So chart supports three types of authentication providers. First come Atlas App Services. So if you go to MongoDB chart, you can see there is App Services. This is the process to configure this App Services. Then come Google Authentication. You can use this Google Authentication, and also you can use the Custom JWT token. JWT means JSON Web Token. You can use JSON Web Token to log in or see the chart in authenticated way. So look at the providers: Atlas App Service Providers, Google Service Providers, and JWT providers. In these three processes, one thing is common, that is this valid JWT. So for authentication process or code something better, I have refactored some of my code. So now if I go to app.html, you can see that I have made a select option, and then to see the dashboard I have made a component, and see a single chart I have made this one. So you can see the UI. If I click on choose one, it is saying that no item selected. If I select show dashboard, it renders the Mongo dashboard for me, and if I select single chart, it renders a single chart. So for this is for the select option, and this is for the dashboard, and this is for the single chart, and if nothing is selected, this message is shown. So straightforward things. If I go to dashboard, you can see just a dashboard thing, and the render method is like the previous one, just one service has been made to make the code clear. When we are rendering a chart, the dashboard creation or the chart creation part is common. So I have made a service, and inside the service I have made two methods. To make a dashboard, I need to call this method. To make a single chart, I need to call this method. Inside this method, I just call the base URL and then call the dashboard ID. And if I just saw a single chart, just make the URL, then call the dashboard ID. Then I just show the render method of that dashboard or the chart. So this is the refactoring process. In the next videos, we will see how to implement the JWT tokens to this our Angular application. So this is it. Before we end this video, please subscribe to get latest video and put a heart emoji in the comment if you love this video. Thank you for being with us. See you on the next one. Take care.